Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Bill and Tech. Today in this video I will guide you how to repair a tubeless tire puncture. So let me tell you that in this video I will only guide you how to repair the tubeless tire, not the tires with a tube. So see, this is a tubeless tire and this got a puncture. So for this I am going to repair it at my home. For this I need a tubeless tire repair kit. I have brought this. These seals, which we can see 5 repair, these are the repair plugs as well. Let me show you from inside. This is like this, and these are the other instruments which you will be required. This will help you to extract nail in the tire. This will also help you to extract a nail, and this will help you to cut this plug after repairing. So friends, in this step, insert this tube plug in this, like in this way. This is leaked. See what these are the bubbles. This is leaked. With the help of nose glass, take it out. And now friends, insert this where you have extracted the nail. This is the tool which is included in the tire repair kit. These are the two major instruments. See. Like you are drilling in the tire with the help of this instrument.